6 hours, 6 to 7, 8 hours are going in the college itself, and they have to finish the reports. So 1 hour, suppose they are taking for finishing the reports, then per subject, if they spend 1 hour each for the usual revision, and apart from that, they have to get accustomed to the competitive examination. So I would say that 1 hour every day should be devoted, 1 hour every day. Or if you are not if you are not comfortable devoting 1 hour every day, I would say 5 hours every week. That would be great. So that would make sure that you are answering the questions correctly and you are answering them within the time. Time is very important. These are there is only one paper, and right now they have not disclosed the timing as I can see. But usually it will be 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours is the usual time. So for competitive exam, timing is important. It is not just that if you get a correct answer, you can get through this exam. Timing is very important. And that's what you have to prepare, because thousands of people are giving. So all over India, every subject, 15,000 people are giving, and only there are 300 seats. 300, say another.
हाँ.
Yeah, yes. I lost my network for some time. Yes. Yeah, yeah. For BSc outgoing students, that is for integrated PhD. So that is a different exam. Portion is same. Portion is similar, and but the number of seats are very less. There will be some 30 seats. So in that way, it is much more competitive. This. Hmm, hmm, hmm. I just want to add my personal experience with JAM. So initially, when I got this ranking in JAM, initially I was selected for IIT Chennai. That was my second preference. My first preference was IIT Bombay, and just at the last moment, I had booked tickets for IIT Chennai, and just 2 days before that, one counseling call came to me, and they asked me whether if you just now a seat has been opened in IIT Bombay. So if you want to change, you can change. So that way, I was very lucky to get at the last moment in IIT Bombay. And IIT Bombay is much more better in an overall experience, much more research exposure, much more industry exposure. And you can go to different paths. Once you get into IITs or NITs, even Central University, the resources you have, the opportunities you have is very big. It's a very vast opportunity for you to have. So you should go with full focus to prepare for this exam, and you can have a very good exposure in life.
Hello, sir. Myself, Pawan Kumar. Uh,
Hello.
in IIT, if we are doing a research, can we get funds from government or institute? Fellowship.
Yes, definitely you will get a fellowship from IAC, and also you can write, you can ask for funds your particular project. If whatever funds you want for your research proposal, you have to write a research proposal and get it passed through your professor, and you and your professor can write a proposal together, and you can apply for different funding agencies for a if you want a big amount for research. And for usual amount, I would say that if you want in lakhs or crores, you can even get up to 5 crores for your research. And definitely, if your proposal is very good, you will definitely get unlimited funding for your research. Yeah, during MSc, I think in ISC during MSc, the funding is almost 15,000 per month, and for PhD you will get 30,000 per month plus HRA. So definitely it is 38,000. Yes. So it actually comes above 40,000 because there is 30% of HRA. Yes. So your stipend is very good, and you for your research proposal you can have unlimited funding depending upon your research proposal.
Excuse me, sir. So, is there any hiring opportunities, sir, and any placements as such, sir? Hiring, sir. Hiring. Is there any hiring possibilities in that, sir?
Job opportunities of IITs
Yes,
are
sir.
after JAM.
Yes.